Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So the video of today, I want to talk about the best or some of the best online funnel builder all in one. You know, if you are in affiliate marketing business and sometime in many other type of business online, you really need to consider to get with you a funnel builder in order for you to make sales, in order for you to just lead people inside of a process that you have designed. So just to recall, for those of you who don't know what a funnel is just a process that you make in order for you to uh, sell something to your customer, sell several products. So today I'm going to share with you 4 or maybe 5 websites that I recommend you, and one of them I recommend it to you in order for you to get started. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So the first website I want to share with you, and I recommend it for several reasons, is called Builderall. I don't know, many of you have maybe heard about it, but yeah, here is Builderall. Builderall is a great website if you want to get started, if you are getting started online in your online business and you don't have a lot of money to spend right now, to invest right now. You can see Builderall offers you many plans. You have the free plans where you can get up to 100 subscribers, and with them you get some limited subdomains, membership area, and many other features. I will let you check all of them. I will just point out some of the most important, and if you decide to go with this one, you still have the same 100 more features. So for me, the one I get started with is the 5,000 subscribers, which I find very great. So yeah, and you also got many more features here. And as you are getting started online, you will mostly focus on 2 features. The first one will be the website builder. That will allow you, the first one, that will allow you to build landing pages. And the other one will mainly be the email marketing software. So in order for you to send emails to your leads. So yeah, this is the way it works. And if you even want more features, you can decide to upgrade, but it's really up to you. So what is the second software I recommend him? This one, I've just discovered him recently. The website is called System.io. So System.io is another great website, and you can see already the difference between Builderall and this website. But I didn't talk about more on the pros and cons of Builderall, but Builderall is a great website for you in order to get started if you have low income or you don't want to spend more. And you can see the same thing is for this website. But guess what is the good and the best part is that this website is cheaper, and you get the same 5,000 contacts or emails. You can send unlimited emails, and you can get unlimited sales funnel. You can build unlimited vlogs, free membership website. But as you get started, you will not really need as much website membership. So just keep it in mind. So the other cool things you get here, unlimited file storage. You know, with Builderall, you have maybe something between 5 gigabytes or 2. And here you can also have one-click upsell. It means that people will just be able to buy very easily with you. And you also get PayPal integration. You can run your own affiliate product. So if you are really getting started, those type of features will not be really for you. For you will be focusing on the email software and also on the funnel builder. Those two are for you, but you can see the price is really, really amazing, really affordable. And if you want even more 10,000 contacts, you can decide to jump into this one. Or if you want just 15,000. So you can see this website is great, and I will put a link on the description for those websites, especially Builderwall and System I. You can decide to try it for free for 14 days, guys. I will put the link below. So this is another great website. And the other one I really want to share with you is let me start by Katra. You know, Katra is another great website. A lot of people may have understood about this website, heard about this website. So this website is another great website. In fact, this website has some very high converting landing pages. In fact, you get a lot of great stuff with this website, and I'm just gonna share it with you. So you have many plans: the starter plan, the silver, the gold, and the platinum. So with the starter plan, you get 2,000 leads, one custom domain, and you can send 15,000 emails per month. So if you remember, in the previous website, the number of emails you can send per month was unlimited. The storage file, you can hear you got 15 gigabytes, but in the previous one it was completely unlimited. So this is some great stuff you get with this website: 100 hours, paid 50 videos, you can sell 20 products, to membership website. If you remember, there we had more. So you see, you can also get started with Katra for $1. So it's not a free trial, but it's just $1. You can decide to get started. Just give a try if you really want. So yeah, you can see it. The price that you will spend every month is $9.99 per month. And remember, if you really get started with affiliate marketing, you will just need two tools: the website builder and the email marketing software. So most of the features here will not really help you as you get started, but you can decide to go with that, and you have many other plans here. So yeah, this is another great website. If you really want to get started, you have the choice, guys. I just want to share it with you and see which one lets you decide which one is the best for you. Even if I recommend you to jump with either Builderwall or System.io, but System.io for me is my best because inside it's really more like Katra. The system, the software is user friendly. I will make many other videos about this software and show you even more. So yeah, so the last website I really want to share with you is called GetResponse. GetResponse is also becoming a very, very all-in-one website because you get many other features such as builder funnel. You can see you have the email marketing software and autoresponder in limited landing page. I told you they will be using just these two features as you get started online. And you can also build sales funnels and limited leads funnels, Facebook ads, and many other features. And you can see you get started for $15 a month. So, and with $15 a month, you have up to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want more, for example, on the previous website, I've shown you somewhere at 5,000. If you want to be at 5,000 with this website, you will need to spend $45 per month. And if you want 2,500, you will need to spend, yeah, almost the same thing, but in the previous website you had more. So this website is not a great website. I will put the link in the description and just let you decide whether you really want to jump with one of those websites. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. I will put the link on the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And I tell you, bye bye and take care.